What's up, guys, and welcome back to Uncle Jack's Outdoors. We are here in Virginia, Lake Moomaw, out on a jeeping adventure once again. I've got Black Bear with me. I've never been to Lake Moomaw, so this is a first for you and me both, maybe. Let me show you what I got in the Jeep. Got a little suitcase, some camping gear. We are headed to McAfee Knob and Potts Mountain Jeep Trail. Thanks for being here with me, everybody. Just cruising some gnarlies. Couple nice little switchbacks. What's up, guys? We made it to Pine Campground, and we're only about a mile from the Jeep trailhead I wanted to hit, but it is getting dark on me. And I read some reviews that my little stock Jeep here might not cut it. So I'm gonna go ahead and set up tent and camp, and we'll talk at you soon. All right, well, we got camp set up. Just a simple tent. I scrounged up enough firewood to cook me a little deer meat, and if you're lucky, I'll show you what's for dinner. Otherwise, tomorrow morning we are gonna hit Potts Mountain Jeep Trail and then try to hike McAfee Knob. So hope you stay tuned. Alright, guys, I promised you a quick look at dinner. We are having venison and onions. Good morning, everybody. We are going to head into town and see if we can't find us a cup of coffee. And then we are headed for Clingman's Dome. I am opting out of the southern terminus of the Jeep Trail just because the guy kind of scared me a little bit yesterday. I don't quite think I have the suspension or the locking differentials I'm gonna need. So, all right, guys, let's go get some coffee. Okay, guys, white blaze, everybody. We are on the Appalachian Trail, just parked off West Virginia 311. I'm sorry, Virginia 311. And we're headed up to McAfee Knob. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I'm huffing and puffing already. Well, everybody, we made it the 3.9 miles to McAfee Knob. Absolutely beautiful day. Okay, we are back on trail, leaving McAfee Knob. What a wonderful day. I'm going to flip you over here and give you a little trail time. Okay, coming back at you with a little more trail time.
We are about mile marker 710, 710 on the AT. We are between McAfee Knob and Virginia Route 311.
Okay guys, we're back in the Jeep. We are on Potts Mountain Road and we're headed up to Potts Mountain Jeep Trail, which again, I was warned that my little stock Wrangler should stay off of the trail. So we'll see what happens when we get up there. Been a great day so far. Just beautiful. Couldn't ask for any better weather. Okay guys, we are on Potts Mountain Jeep Trail, and I did not want to attempt any of this by myself. I'm going to show you here. I got some company with me, just a guy I met, and we're giving it a go. Okay guys, we're about a mile into Potts Mountain Jeep Trail here, and I'm not gonna lie, I've had to get out a couple times. I've had to stop filming, and I almost turned back once, mainly because of ground clearance issues. But it's just a matter of picking you a line through here. And going slow is the name of the game. Potts Mountain Jeep Trail proven to be no joke. I'm glad I got somebody with me. I wasn't gonna come up here solo like I said earlier, but this worked out pretty well. We went in about a mile and a half from the mid-terminus. Well guys, I couldn't be more thrilled. We are on Potts Mountain Jeep Trail doing just fine. Couple of firsts for me on this trip. I don't think I've ever camped by myself. I think just randomly I've always had people with me. And I kind of made a Jeep buddy over here, so my friends from Virginia. Potts Mountain, baby. It's fun stuff.